What's good, everybody? So that's not my opening phrase. What's good, y'all? Jed with Project Reanimate here. So it's been a long time since I've done any work to the car, and that's for good reason. It's pretty chilly. It's been cold and kind of unruly, and as you can see, all I've got is a mat that I use and a flat carport, which, to be completely honest, I'm grateful to have concrete because otherwise I would be doing it on gravel. Uh, but in the next couple of months, I'll be going through some life changes like a new job and a new home, and hopefully that'll get me squared away, and hopefully I can find a home that I can afford that has a garage, and that would be great. But until then, I have done some work on the undercarriage of the car. I've gotten it all painted up, so I'll be showing that here pretty soon. Um, all of the fender wells, all of the underside of the car is clean. I haven't started it in a long time, and I think all I need to do is start it and get it off the jacks. Obviously, it's up off the ground at the moment. But not much going on. I'm a filmmaker and I'm a caretaker, so I take care of my mom. And the big thing for me is making sure she's okay. It's a little labor intensive, and sometimes that labor intensivity, I don't know if that's a word, does not translate well to me getting my own stuff done. You know, helping a family member live and feel good about themselves is great, and it kind of drains you sometimes. So it's not often that I feel like I've got enough energy to compile and create videos and things of that nature. So that's probably why you haven't seen me the majority of the time. But really, I haven't been working on the car. I'm also a filmmaker and writer, and I've been writing a lot. So I've got I'm fucking freezing. I've got a screenplay that I'm writing for a friend of mine that is a feature-length film, so it's about 85 to 90 pages, and I can really do one thing really well. I can multitask too, but truthfully, the brain doesn't multitask. It doesn't have that function. The brain, like all of our brains. People can tell you that you can multitask. It's bullshit. You can't. You can do one thing really, really well and ancillary things around it, but you can't do multiple things really well at the same time. It's impossible. Except for drummers. They seem to be able to hit two drums at the same time. Nonetheless, it's not the point I'm trying to make. It'll be a little while before I start really posting on the film side of things. Actually, not the film side, the car side. But I keep saying I went to college for speech, learned never to say but and here I am. You know, sometimes you just can't get past the things that are comforting to you whenever you aren't totally sure what you're trying to say. Although I feel like I know what I'm trying to say. I'm rambling now. It doesn't matter. You guys just want to know about the car. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. My name's Jedediah Nichols. I have a Project Reanimate Instagram. Follow me there. The other thing I might be doing is Project Reanimate ends up being a lot of things. It ends up being my mental health. It ends up being taking care of my house and things that are broken. It ends up being taking care of tools that are rusty. So Project Reanimate may open itself up a little further. Instead of it just being about the Impala, it will also be about my Accord, which you can kind of see right there. And it'll be about all the stuff that encapsulates living with a family member who's ill and the amount of work that goes into that. So I think there's going to be a transitional phase here as well. I just hope that it works out fine, and I hope you guys will stay attached to it, because it means a lot to me to have people that I've never met before, you know, and I intend to meet many of you. Just invest yourself in what I've got going on, and I'm so thankful for that. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving holiday. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I just hope you're living okay. So I'll see you guys very soon. You'll see more stuff uploaded on the channel. If it's not specifically Impala related, I'll make sure to kind of designate it so you know. Anyway, thanks guys.